Hey guys, so today we got a Ford Falcon BA in for a roof lining repair, and I'll show you how to drop down this headliner board in one of these sedans. So first we lay like a blanket down to protect the center console, because we'll be taking the headliner board out the front passenger door, and you've got to flex them a bit, but the edges of these headliner boards are quite sharp, so if you're dragging it along your interior you might leave a mark. So yeah, lay a blanket down first, recline the two front seats, and then we would start by taking off the grab handles, the Jesus bars at the back if you've got them, or it might just have a coat hanger hook, and they usually come off with a Phillips head screw, or there might be a Torx head screw in there. I think it's like a T25 I reckon. Same with these ones here, you take the screw out and then you can lever off the sun visor clip with either a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool just underneath there once the screw's out. And sun visor, yeah, just a couple of screws hold those ones in. The front A-pillars would be next after all these grab handles and sun visors have come off. This, we'll take the A-pillar off. They're quite easy, nothing breaks on these, and it's quite sturdy and strong. They're held in by 3 clips. And then we would take the center pillar off. We'll just unplug it and just leave it down here. No need to take the seat belts out. Then we would loosen the rear C-pillars just up the top there, something like this. Just enough to pull the headliner away from the rear. Those rear plugs there, you can get behind and take them out, or you can get a plastic trim removal tool to unplug them. Those ones there. So just like this, you can get behind them like that, or just a trim removal tool, get them out. And once that's all done, the interior light would be, the next step would be just getting under it and popping that bugger down. They're not held in by pop rivets, but they kind of do look like it. See, they're just held in by those metal clips, so you just get behind and pull it down. And once all that's done, you drop down these seals, and then you can safely pull this headliner down and rest it down onto the seats here, and then you peel off the wiring loom if you want to just take it off A-pillar up the front there, or you just peel it off from the headliner board, and then you can safely flex it out the front passenger door here. So yeah, we'll show you guys how we're doing it, and if you're looking for more steps and tips, we actually have it all laid out in a downloadable ebook. Especially if you're doing your headliner repair, we'll show you all the steps to take, the common problems to watch out for, so that will save you money and time. Check the link in the description below. There will be an ebook there titled Headlining Secrets, and make sure you get the one with the AUBABF Falcon steps, because we have extra videos onto that one where it shows you exactly how to do this model. There's also Ford Falcon FGs, Ford Territories, and the Holden range as well, so there's plenty of models there to download and learn how to do these headliners. But yeah, we'll dive into this now, and if you end up liking the video, found it helpful, just give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button if you haven't already, maybe just leave a comment below your biggest takeaway or what you might want to see in the days and weeks ahead, and we'll try to cover that for you. And yeah, let's get stuck into it.